like, I got the first part, but then once you passed me, it's like, and then I couldn't even find you because I was half zoomed, and then I'm like seeing big trees. I'm like, okay, got it. Got it. Okay. Oh, that didn't look too hot. Was that the jump I was supposed to get there? Was that the big air I was supposed to get? Was that the big air I was supposed to get?
That's going to be deleted.
Yeah, that looks pretty good there, Dar.
That was super awesome.
I know. Awesome, huh?
How do you do that? How do you not hit the button?
I did, and it was recording. I must have accidentally hit it while I was recording.